So first day of the conference proper is over. It's a very full day. They start at 7:30 and finish around 6. The only problem with these conferences is there's so much to choose from. It's really difficult to choose which sessions to go to. I wanted to focus on two things that I mentioned yesterday. The first session was JD Dillon's session on using video for learning. It was a great session because he looked at very practical, simple, low budget ways of using video, in particular using a kind of YouTube model to generate multiple videos on a particular subject, using different people to create those videos, and then allowing the learner really to choose which video was most appropriate to them. The beauty of that is that you have a very quick production process and you can keep all your videos very up to date. The other thing that he talked about was the things that's very close to my heart, which is about the way video can create a real sense of immersion for the learner and a sense of flow so that you get lost in the experience. And interestingly, he was using video within a face-to-face, so integrating a face-to-face presentation with video. There's a lot of talk in the conference about xAPI and LRSs, and the session I went to, which was looking at how the adaptive technology used about Facebook and Netflix can affect learning, was actually based around a case study of Fulcrum, a company called Fulcrum. Patrick Weir was doing the presentation from Fulcrum, and they have been running a program of training for pilots with a small American airline. The face-to-face has moved to online, and they're using adaptive technology to deliver the training. The training adapts and delivers support material in those particular areas where the pilots may have weaknesses. The other interesting thing about this case study is that pilots have a certain amount of face-to-face online. They also spend quite a lot of time in flight simulators, simple simulators and also very complex, expensive simulators. And Fulcrum are working with Lockheed to ensure that the data that comes out of those, so the way that the pilots are performing within those simulators, can be rendered as xAPI information and integrated then into a whole learning kind of ecosystem, so that you can get data about their performance and relate it back to the formal learning that they'll have taken already. A very interesting case study altogether. I'm off back to the hotel now, and last look through my slides for tomorrow, 4 o'clock, and hope to see some of you there.